Hello, welcome back again. I'm glad to have you again. So, if you can see, we have some course outlines that we have already done for you. So, in our first course outline is our introduction to Pixellab, which I assume that you have mastered the principle of design. We have done that in our free class, but this is our premium class. So, as we said, we'll be using our Pixellab for the class. So, we are going to begin with the class. So we are going to do with we are going to start with introduction to Pixellab. So let's go to my Pixellab. I'm going to open the app for yours. So this is my Pixellab. If you open the Pixellab, this is the first thing you will see. On the Pixellab, you can see our workspace. We have different workspace for our class, for our design. So your home might differ from what I'm using here, because this one is another. I collect this one from someone, which is maybe from one India guy, and it's different from the one that we see on your Play Store. If you want this type of Pixellab, you can request it for me, so I will send it to you. Probably I might drop it on the inside the group. We will use this one. So we have different workspace for our design. This is the first workspace, the initial workspace for our design. This is the first you will see if you click on it. This is another one. This is transparent workspace. This is another one for transparent. This is another one. This is another workspace. This is another one for workspace. This is another workspace. This is another workspace. Then we want to use the default workspace for us. This is the workspace we will see if you open our Pixellab. So first, we want to start with the first icon at the top. So which is our pencil icon at the top. If you can see, let me just click on it. You want to start with this, with our pencil icon. Let me erase it. We want to start with our pencil icon. If you click on the pencil icon, you can see different icon under it. You can see different icon also under. You can see the pencil icon, copy icon, text icon, rotate icon, and everything. Let's first click the pencil icon. If you click on the pencil icon, it means that if you wanted to edit your text, when you open, you can see that we have our new text. But if you click on this pencil icon, it means that you wanted to edit your text. Then let me just go. I want to write it. I want to write graphics design mastery. Can you see that? Then we have some icon at the top also. You can see we have some icon at the top. Can you see it? Yes, we have the T icon, we have the delete icon, we have cancel icon, we have OK icon. Let me just copy this first. Let me copy it. Then, can you see? The T icons means that if you wanted to, the T icon here, it means you can see the capital letter T and small letter t. It means that if you wanted to change it to all the capital letter or all to small letter, if I click on it, can you see that it's changed to capital letter? Then if I click it back, it's changed to small letter. Then the second icon beside it, it means that you wanted to delete your icon. You can see the icon is very common. Then click on it, the thing will go. Then you can go back, paste it because I've copied it already. Can you see it? It's come back. Then if you click cancel, that it means it will went off from this and go back to our workspace. Can you see it? Go back to our workspace. Let's click on the pencil again. Then if you click on the pencil again, then we click on the edit. Then let me cancel this and paste my text. Then it's okay. Then if you are okay with this, then you can click your OK. Then when I click my icon, you go back to my workspace. Then another icon that you can use for our text is to come down here and click on A. Any text, if you want to do anything on your text, you can come here to click your A as your text icon. Also, you can use the pencil icon at the top for our text, and you can use the A icon at the Bennett for our text. Then if you click on text icon, Bennett, so I wanted to remove the size. Though we are still dealing with the top icon, I want to reduce its size. Then this is it. I have reduced its size. Then let me go back to the pencil icon at the top. Then the best beside it is our copy icon. Then you can go there and click our copy icon. You can make it, you can duplicate it as many as you want. Then let me click again. If I want to duplicate it again, I can come here and duplicate it again. Can you see it there? Then the next, let me delete one. Let me just delete two. And let me delete one out of it. Let me click on test again. Beneath it is our test. That means you can come here and change it to capital letter if you want also, and change it to small letter. You can see double T there. If you see the double T, that means you want to change it to capital letter or small letter. If I click on it, I want to increase its size and reduce its size. If I click on it, can you see that the thing is increasing? Can you see that the size is increasing? Can you see? Then you can be clicking the plus icon or the minus icon to increase the size. Can you see when I'm clicking the plus icon and when I'm clicking the minus icon? Then if you are satisfied with this, you can click your OK. If you are satisfied, but if you are not satisfied, you can click your cancel. Let's assume I want to change this. Let me increase its size. Let me first check the size of this one. The size I have my 39 also. Then let me now come here. Let me check its size. I have my 43. If I wanted to reduce it to 43, then if I am not satisfied, I can click my cancel icon. Then if I click back on it, it still show the 43 again. Then let me now reduce this to 39. If I reduce it to 39 back, then I'll click my icon. It means that I'm satisfied with it. That's the reason why I click the mark icon. The next beside it is our rotate icon. Then if you click it, that if you are increasing the thing will be rotate. Then if you are decreasing it back, the thing will rotate. We rotate back. It will rotate back. Can you see it? We have our clockwisely and anti-clockwise. That means upside down, clockwisely and anti-clockwise. Can you see it? Then I'm not okay with it. I'm not using it. Then I'll click my cancel. It will go back to my normal stuff. Then the next one is our rotational icon. Rotational icon. You can centralize it. You can move to the right. You can move to the left. You can move it. You can give it total centralized. You can move it to the down. You can move it to the top. Can you see it? Can you see how it works? And that's for our rotation. And the next beside it is our color. You can give it any color. So we'll be treating it deeply when we reach our color. The next beside it is our color. You can come here to give it any color you like. Maybe if I can give you blue, I can give you red, I can give you white, I can give you yellow, any color I like. Then the next beside it, let's assume I want to give this one blue. Then let me now go to my rotate and centralize it. Let me centralize it. I have centralized it. Then let me now give this one. Let me leave this as our white. I wanted to make sure, I want to use the icon. I want to use the effect of the next icon. That is the one I want to centralize. This one also. Let me go back and go to my test and let me centralize it. It will be on top of our design. So I want to use the next icon. I wanted to use the next icon to illustrate something. Our move to the top and move to the down. That is our last icon, our true last icon on that pencil icon. If you click on it, it means move to the top. Then let me go back and click the icon beside it. It will go to all the white icon will go back. You will move to the back. Then if you click on it, you can see that the blue icon has appear and the white icon has go down. So let's see the front icon move to the top. You can see that the white icon appear. Then if you go back, move to the back, can you see that our blue icon, our blue text appear. That's that about that. So we now look, let's stop here and we will go to our text, our A color when we meet again.